Hi, my name is Ganyan Jie, my tweet number 255108. So now I'm gonna to present about the assignment 2 for the real-time programming. The instruction for the assignment is that we need to develop a small system using Maven and Java programming language. Then the content is to identify the Xamarin GitHub follower, and then the second is analysis of the follower using the thread with the following statistic, which is the number of repository, the number of follower, and other two statistics. And then the number of the thread is based on the number of Xamarin GitHub follower. Then we need to follow the reporting format, and then all the result must be displayed here in MS Excel file. So now let's take a look about my structure of the project. I have created 6 classes for the system, and then now we see the POM first. The POM I add two dependency, which is the JSON. The JSON is to get the data from the API, and then the other one is Apache point. Apache point is to convert the result to the Excel file. And then now we see the first classes. The first classes is info gated. Info gated. Inside the info gated, I have used the JSON to connect with the link. The link is the API link, which is this one, API github.com user Xamarin. Then I will use the inform here to get the information. And then I add one more access token. The access token is used to get over the red limit of the GitHub. And then I have tried to get login ID, number of the repository, total follower, ID number, and type user. The last one is the Xamarin total follower. I use pattern and measure, which is from the ranges, to separate the info. And then I save the data to the user data with array type, same as the number repo, total follower, ID number, type user, and Xamarin total follower. And then I have created a follower getter to get the API URL. And then I created two classes with Excel creator and Excel data to convert the result to the Excel file. Which I have set the file name as the list of follower, and then I set the title, number, login ID, number of repository, number of follower, user ID, and user type. And then there is the code to create the Excel, read the data, and so on. And then is the Excel data. A result method, and then this one is to add the data into the Excel file. This is the Xamarin follower getter. It also used to get the API URL. And then there we see the main classes. The main classes, first of all, we will get the URL, the API URL first, with the API github.com user Xamarin. And then we will calculating the Xamarin GitHub follower, and then it will save to the follower number. It will print out the follower number. After that, we create a Excel, and then we collecting the user info, which use this for each look, and then we use the thread to get the user info using the array type. Then finally we create the Excel file. So now I will run the program to show the output. First, it will show the Jamboree GitHub follower, which is one sec file, and then it will collecting the user info to list out the list of follower. So you will show the list for the output. List of follower will show the login ID, number of repository, number of follower, user ID, and user type. And then it will create a Excel file. Here is the Excel file. And then I will show how to generate to the class diagram. I use Eclipse to generate the class to the class diagram, which I just only drag these classes to here only, and then it will show the classes. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.